Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn off Life360 without parents knowing on your iPhone. So actually I don't really recommend doing so. It's because your parents are doing this for your own safety, and yeah, so please don't do it. But if you have to do it, and yeah, I have to do, I have to tell you, yeah, right. So, at first we have to scroll down to the control panel and enable the airplane mode. And what it does is it's disabling your location entirely, and it stops Life360, but it also prevents you from using calls, messages, and other apps that are in need for the internet. So yeah, you are incapable of using your iPhone, without the internet. So this is the first tip. The second tip is to go into the settings of your iPhone here and scroll down to the privacy and security. Of course, your parents won't get the notification that you have turned off your location services, but here just disable the location services. Make it gray. Until they check the Life360 and see that you have your location turned off, because there is an alert in the application that you can't find this person because they have the location services disabled. And the first tip is to open the Life360 itself, and wait a moment, here you have to tap this gear icon in the top left corner and tap location sharing. Here, if you have it purple, turn it to the left to have your location sharing disabled like this, and that's how it works. Of course, they will get the notification here that you have disabled the location sharing, so that's why I do recommend to not stop sharing your location, because these things are for your own safety. That's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.